What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be installing a front splitter on this C8 Corvette. This is actually my friend Cisco's Corvette, so he's gonna help me along the way because I've never done this before. Okay, you guys, so we have the car up on risers right now. We did take off the previous splitter. Cisco hit something on the highway, so that one was broken. We removed that one already. I used this little, what is this called? Okay, this is a ratcheting stubby screwdriver. We took off the T15 bolts. That was probably the quote-unquote hardest part. There's a bunch of them, and that's how the splitter was held on. So we took off all of these, got underneath, and now we're ready to, oh, we did clean it too. We cleaned this with our quick detailers. Time to install the new one. Okay, you guys, so this is the splitter that we are putting on. There's two other pieces to it. This is technically a 5-piece splitter. Cisco said he got this from Amazon. How much was it?
I don't know, like 150, 200 bucks.
150, 200 bucks, something slight. So if it cracks, not a huge deal. You can always order a new one. The old one though was a little bit less chiseled out. I think this one looks a little bit more sporty, so I'm excited to see how this one looks. Okay, so the first step, we're going to put this front piece on. These actually line up perfectly, the holes where the last front splitter went. You can install this yourself. I think it'd be a little bit easier if you had a friend, or if you don't, maybe put something on that side to help you hold it up. So what you want to start by doing is putting your first 3 T15 screws in the center ones, and then doing your outside screws. That way this one is held up, and then you can fill in as you go. Alright, so I'm going to start by putting the very center T15 screw in, using the little chubby guy.
It should go in there nice and smooth.
Yep. And now the other two.
I have to do that side.
Okay, you guys. So we got that middle piece on secured. This is the end piece. There are 2 pieces that are connected here that we did. There are dimples on this that line up with the rest of the splitter. So I'm just gonna put this in and then secure it in.
Push up there. There you go.
Oh!
Yeah.
Okay, you guys, so for this end piece, you do have to turn your wheel in order to get to the bolts here. So since the wheels are turned to the left, we have access on this side, and then we'll do the same for the opposite side and turn them the other way. All right, and now we turn the wheel the opposite way to the right to do this side of the back of the side piece. Okay, and the bottom one. Okay, you guys, this is the final product. This is what the front splitter looks like fully installed. This only took us about, what, 15 minutes?
Yeah, 15, 20 minutes.
15, 20 minutes. Nothing crazy, but I really like this one. I think overall it really adds to the aesthetic of the car. Makes it look more sporty. And voila!